I'll get somebody $10,000 to eat this. It's nasty though.
Anyone want to make $10,000?
I'll make $10,000.
No, I'm about to not like this shit. These are so fucking nasty. I feel like a 0 out of 10. But no, this is like 7 out of 10. It's not a party rings though. No, this is actually the best. This is like the best cracking one. Yeah. Nah, bro, 9 out of 10. This is actually good as shit. He had his ass on me.
I think this is gonna be your favorite one out of all of them. Speed. It's anchovies.
Ugh.
Yeah, don't rush this one.
Don't spit it out.
Jellied eels, bro.